Craft appalled! Go! Craft Lab!
Welcome to the Craft Lab.
Hi, Kate. What are we making today?
Hi, Wimee. Today we're making easy pipe cleaner puppets.
Nice. I'm totally a mess.
You are, but you know what? You're in the Craft Lab. You're allowed to get a little messy.
Yeah, let's do it. Wow, look, here are the supplies for today's craft.
Let's see, what do we have here?
We have pipe cleaners, pom-poms, a glue stick, and googly eyes.
All right, start by taking your pipe cleaner and wrapping it 3 times around your finger, like this. Make sure you leave enough room to make the ears.
Yes. Oh, I want my puppet to have round ears.
Oh, good idea, Wimee. All right, so we're gonna fold one end of your pipe cleaner in, making sure that it's round, and then a second time, and then we're gonna twist it very tight. There we go. Wonderful. Now, we're gonna add a little pom-pom. Wimee, what color pom-pom should we add?
Oh, let's go with orange, like me.
Just like you. Good idea. All right, and we're gonna glue this pom-pom in between our little ears so that it'll make it nice and strong. Just like you, Wimee.
Thanks.
All right, put a little pom-pom on. Make sure that it sticks. There we go. Next, we attach the googly eyes.
Googly eyes. I see you.
What do we think? What color should we pick, Wimee?
I'll let you choose this one.
I get to choose?
Yeah.
Thank you. I think we'll go maybe 1 blue.
Okay.
Well, that's pink. We'll do 1 pink and 1 yellow. We let the googly eyes decide, huh?
The googly eyes decided.
All right. And 2.
Yeah.
There's our little googly eyes.
Hooray!
Yay!
Now we can play.
Yeah. This is a puppet of my father. His name is Popsicle.
And I'm Little Wimee from Planet Pom Pom, dropping robot rhymes. Finger puppets are silly time, 'cause we got crafty